Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial about how to start a telehealth visit on a mobile device. To start a telehealth visit, you will need a computer or a mobile device, for example a smartphone or a tablet with a video camera and a microphone. You will also need a robust internet connection. It could be a 4G, wireless, through one of the wireless carriers such as Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T or others, or through a broadband internet service provider, for example DSL service provider or cable service provider. You will need to download Google Meet app. To do that, you can get the links at OfficeFLO.com/download. There are Google Meet apps for Android and iOS devices. You can also get these apps directly from Google Play or Apple Store. In addition to that, you will have to have a Gmail account. So if you don't have one, you can sign up at accounts.google.com/signup. At the time of your telehealth appointment, you can open your provider's main website in the internet browser on your mobile device, and at the top of the web page, you will see announcement banner stating that the offices remain open by phone and for telehealth appointment, and there you can find a button Start a Telehealth Visit. You will need to press this button and it will prompt you to open Meet app. You will need to press open. It will offer you to continue to open the app. You'll need to press continue. It will ask your permission to have access to your camera. You will need to press OK. It will ask you permission to have access to microphone. You'll need to press OK. And it will offer you to sign in. When you press sign in, if you don't have any Gmail account activated, you will need to enter your Gmail user ID and password. Or if you have existing account, you can select one from your list. It doesn't matter which one. After that, you will see a screen offering you to join the video conference. Before you do that, you'll need to make sure that the icons for microphone and icon for camera are clear, they're not red. If either of them is red, you need to press on respective icon. And after you make sure that they're both clear, not red, you can press ask to join and wait for your healthcare provider to admit you into the video conference to start a telehealth visit. And this is all. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, please contact your healthcare provider.